Hello Handwork Studio friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to another DIY project. My name is Allie and my favorite thing about fall is all the colors, the leaves, and the wind. So today we are going to be making our own wind catchers. It's a very simple project with just a few materials. We need tape, construction paper, scissors, something to poke a hole with, and some yarn. So to start our wind catcher, we are going to get our construction paper to cut out a few different objects. So you'll need a rectangle about this size, some strips like this, and optional, but I'm going to decorate mine with some leaves that I already colored and cut out. Your first step, you're going to take this circle and you're going to take the two ends to where they meet, just like that, and tape it off. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tape my leaves on there. Wow, I am so excited. This is already looking so colorful and perfect for fall. Next, we're gonna go ahead and tape these on, which will be the strips that go on the bottom that will catch the wind. So we're gonna go ahead and put some tape on those and then just attach them to the bottom like this. Feel free to put your streamers in a little pattern to spice it up. Wow, I cannot wait to see how those blow in the wind. To do that first, we have to attach some string at the top so we can hang it. So you're gonna go ahead and take either a hole puncher or something that's sharp that you can poke a hole with. And you're going to go ahead and poke a hole on both sides of your wind catcher like this. Once you have holes on both sides, you can go ahead and attach your string to both ends. And there you have it, a beautiful wind catcher, perfect for the fall and all that windy weather. I think I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this outside with a nice cup of tea. Happy crafting!